Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which video port your MacBook has because the adapter choice is critical. Once you know it, pick a quality adapter, USB-C to VGA or mini display port to VGA. Prefer active adapters for consistent scaling. Make sure your VGA cable is intact, and if you need sound, set aside a 3.5 cable. Now plug the adapter into the MacBook but don't connect the monitor yet. This prevents spurious detection before settings are ready. Once the adapter is in the MacBook, connect the VGA cable to the monitor and tighten the screws so the signal stays stable. You then power on the monitor and open System Settings, selecting Displays. Click Detect Displays if it doesn't appear automatically. Arrange the screens by dragging them and choose Mirrored or Extended mode depending on your workflow. Adjust the resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs so the image is sharp and prevents flicker. After settings are applied, verify image quality and color. Make small tweaks in displays to fine-tune. If the monitor remains blank, power cycle the monitor and MacBook, reseat the adapter and VGA cable, then try a different adapter or cable to isolate the faulty part. If problems persist, reset the NVRAM/PRAM and, on some models, the SMC to clear hardware detection glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.